The biggest reasons I see some business owners failing on social media is because you're putting out the content that speaks to no one. When it comes to speaking your dream customer's language, you have to speak directly to them, right? So, what is their pain? What are they struggling with? And what do they desire? So, for those of you who said your biggest issue was content creation and content conversion, I actually want you to write inside the chat, who is your dream customer, right? Now, let me caution you. If you are about to write, my dream customer are women between the ages of 40 and 50, that is the issue, because it is extremely hard to create content that speaks to those people because it's too vague. Like, could you imagine someone actually, this really did happen. I was watching a YouTube video and an ad popped up, and he said, if you are a Christian between the ages of 70 and 80, and I was like, oh, that's horrible marketing. Why is that horrible marketing? Because you're speaking to an age group as opposed to their pain. And one of the first things when it comes to marketing, and I learned this from Jesus. So, one of the first things he did was he called his people by pain. He called them by pain, right? He said, come to me, all who are weary and heavy laden, for I will give you rest. He didn't say, come to me, all who are between the ages of 70 and 80, all who are between the ages of 25 and 50. And oftentimes, when we're creating our dream customer persona, we want to focus on the demographics. That's nice and all. But the reality is, when you're on social media, calling people by their age is just weird, very weird, right? That's like, okay, yeah, if you are at the age of 40, I can help you with relationships. But if you call them by pain, which is something like, well, if you're someone where you have been on every dating site, you've done eHarmony, you've done Hinge, and no matter what, the conversations keep falling flat within the first 30 days, I can help you. Do you see how that speaks directly to the person's pain, the exact situation that they're in? So that now when you say it, they're like, oh, you're talking to me. And that's the goal. When you're putting out your content, you want your audience to say that you're talking to me. You're in my head. You're in my head. That's how you know you got them.